Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide your friend list on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide your friend list on Facebook, go to your Facebook and click on your profile icon on upper right corner and then click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. In left pane, scroll down. Under audience and visibility, click on how people find and contact you. Here you will find an option who can see your friend list. Click on this option and now public is selected here. Scroll down, select only me and then click on done. Now in who can see your friend list, only me is set. This is the easiest way to hide friend list on Facebook. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.